Welcome back. Today is our 4th day of our 28 days with our Instapot. And today we're having spaghetti. And our ingredients today are 1 pound of hamburger meat, a half a box of spaghetti, broke up, and I broke it in thirds. We're using Old World ragu today, but you can use any spaghetti sauce you like. We've got 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 bay leaf. Okay, I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in my pot. It's set on saute, and we gotta turn it on. Okay, our grease is hot, so we're gonna add our meat. And now that our meat's in and browning, we're gonna add our seasonings. We're gonna add the onion powder first. Next, we're gonna add the oregano, the garlic, the basil, salt, and pepper, and mix them all up. Now that we've got all the meat really nice and brown, it's time to add the spaghetti. Okay, now we're gonna add the sauce, and we kind of have to spread it out all over. And it takes this whole jar. And now we add 2 cups of water to this jar. And put the lid on it and shake it up. Try to get all the goodness out of it. And then we pour this just around the edges. Now we're gonna spread it out again a little bit, right to the edges. And now we add the bay leaf. Now we're gonna get the lid on, but you gotta make sure your vent's sealed. Okay, you have to make sure it's on pressure cooker, and it has to be cooked 8 minutes, and it's on 8 minutes. You have to make sure that the pressure's on high and the delay switch is off. And then you start it. Okay, our spaghetti's done, and I let it self-release for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna carefully push that down and take the lid off. Ooh, it looks good. We're gonna stir it up some now. Okay, I've stirred it all up and it smells terrific. And I got the bay leaf out and we're ready to eat. Ooh, it smells terrific.